In this video, we will be replacing the drop-down hanger assemblies on your AeroPLUS truck guard. This is a quick and easy process to ensure your guard is in optimal working order. In your replacement kit, you'll find 6 half-inch flat washers, 2 half-inch hex bolts, 2 drop-down hanger assemblies, 8 spring lock washers, 8 quarter-inch hex bolts, 2 half-inch jam nuts, 2 springs. Loosen the carriage bolts, washers, adjustment screws, and remove the slam latch handle. Remove the old drop-down hanger assemblies and add the replacement hanger assemblies for the driver and passenger side. Disengage the slam latch hanger from the slam latch bar by removing the hardware. Do this for both the driver and passenger sides. Install the new slam latch hanger to the slam latch bar with the provided hardware. Do this for both driver and passenger sides. Attach the slam latch to the bumper. The slam latch must be fastened on both the driver and passenger side. Hand tighten the bolts until the washers are snug. Do not fully tighten. Install slam latch adjustment screws on both driver and passenger side. Adjustment screws are used to adjust the forward position of the slam latch. Feed the adjustment screw through the internal threads in the new hanger assembly. Install the slam latch handle to the slam latch assembly. Feed the carriage bolts through the handle of the slam latch assembly as shown. Fasten the supplied flat washer and jam nut. Congratulations on installing your slam latch. The slam latch requires adjustment. Proceed with the following steps for instructions on how to properly adjust your slam latch. Open the bumper. Turn the adjustment screws until the latch on the slam latch assembly feels solid. If the handle is too hard to open, turn the adjustment screws to loosen the assembly. Adjust as necessary until the bumper can open and close properly and all rattling disappears. Open the bumper and tighten the 8 bolts attached to the hanger assembly to 12 foot-pounds of torque. Close the bumper, check again, and if no rattling occurs, the adjustment is complete.